Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the government building roads in Jamaica. Now the government says they're building roads for the future. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government plans to do, the building of roads. The government, through the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement of our Road Network SPARK program, is building roads that are durable, sustainable, and reliable. What we're doing at SPARK is we're building out roads, not just for the present but for the future, said Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation Responsibility for Works, Honorable Robert Morgan. He was addressing the monthly meeting of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Spanish Town. SPARK is a $45 billion program that will provide long-term rehabilitation and upgrades to road infrastructure in communities across the country. Approximately 600 roads across 63 constituencies have been identified for extensive improvements. The project will entail the installation of fiber optic ducts to support future broadband connectivity, which aligns with the government's digital transformation strategy. Minister Morgan assured that work will be done to international standards with a focus on the specific needs of each road. The average cost per kilometer of road is about 40 million. There are some roads that require realignment. There are some roads that have features in them because of how they came about. There was no design, he said, citing the case of communities that started as informal settlements. They started off with a track, and then a couple of years later, the government said, we have a population up there, so we'll send a grader to pave a road. We never built a drain, so there was no contemplation of where the water would go. There was no contemplation of putting in fiber optic cables under the earth to give people access to the internet, he pointed out. SPARK is scheduled to be undertaken over 2 years, with an additional 1-year defects liability period, during which a contractor will be responsible for fixing any flaws at no cost to the government. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think and how is SPARK working in your community. Alright guys, have a good day.